guys, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. It's Ada here again. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. I do everything cleaning and organization, motherhood vlogs, and lifestyle and all the beautiful things you can think of. Okay, so welcome to my channel. Do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can know whenever I post my next video. You get updated whenever I post the next video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, so today we are going to be tackling the kitchen and cleaning out, and I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be doing a little review, so keep watching so you can see what the review is. I am excited. Yeah, I finally got it done, but yeah, I will definitely show you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, if you remember in my previous video, my kitchen was kind of like half done. The countertop was half done, the backsplash and everything that I wanted to do, because I got my paper to what is it called? I got the thing for the contact paper for the kitchen counters, but it was not enough. But yeah, they finally shipped it to me, and I finished up my kitchen. You can see that it kind of like brightened up this space. I feel like it's kind of like made it more brighter. I love how it is right now. It was looking a bit darker, like in how it was previously, and I just did not like that. But now it looks brighter and I love it. Okay, I clean it and it just looks amazing, and I have so many other additions to this. I will definitely show you guys all the things that I got from Amazon. You guys, my Amazon store front will be linked in the description box, so all the things I think I'm going to actually do, just let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do like my Amazon finds, the things that I actually got from Amazon that I use and are really good. I can also do that video and show you guys. I think I'll film that and show you guys all the amazing things that I got from Amazon and are really helpful, like that I really use. It's not just for decor or anything like that, but that I really love and use them a whole lot. And yeah, I'll do that because listen, I have been going crazy on Amazon. I have been just getting a whole lot, so I'll definitely try and link everything in my store, all the things that I have not linked already. I'm going to link that. If you have anything at all that you want to add, just let me know. I'll link it in just let me know in the comment section and I'll link that as well. Yeah, I'm going to link everything. So yeah, today we are tackling the kitchen. We are going to be cleaning up the kitchen and I don't know why, but this kitchen kind of like seems like my favorite place to clean. I don't know if it's just me, but I just like how it looks. So guys, if you got here, as usual, leave a heart emoji in the comment section for me, and also your words of encouragement to keep me going and to keep me, just motivated, keep posting videos and keep filming and editing. And I just need all the positive vibes and positive energy I can get. Yeah, because with 4 kids and trying to do this, honestly, it is not easy at all for me. Yeah, I'm kind of like struggling a little bit, but I hope I'll definitely get there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, leave your comments, and subscribe if you have not done that already. For more, to see more videos like this, yeah, click on that subscribe button, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.